Yes, welcome to Bikes with Rye. Thank you for clicking on my video. So today I thought I'd do something slightly different. Produce some motovlog slash lifestyle vlog based around my motorbike, and I thought I'd bring you with me. So it's really early, it's like 6:30. I feel tired and probably look tired, but what I need to do is I need to take the bike, my Street Triple 765 RS, to have a brand new tyre fitted. So I'm going to jump on the bike, start it up, give the neighbours a wake-up call, and bring you with me. Do you want to come? Let's go.
To be honest, it's not so loud. I'm so used to riding the bike without DB killers in it. So I'm kind of running the Leo Vince with the DB inserted. And actually it doesn't sound too loud. I was a bit worried that it would be bellowing at this time in the morning. But that's acceptable, isn't it? I'm actually really feeling this current setup, to be honest, because when I last rode it, the exhaust only really starts to make some noise when you open it up. Oh, do you know what? This is lovely, isn't it? It's lovely and warm. It doesn't look it, but it's lovely and warm. We're now into June. The great weather is here and hopefully to stay. And the actual reason why I'm riding the bike so early, I mean the motorcycle shop that I'm taking them to isn't actually open yet, but what I've asked to do is drop the bike off early, because unfortunately I have to take the bike there and have it the tyre fitted, and I have no means of transport to come back. My girlfriend's up actually in front in the white 108, Peugeot 108, and she's working today, she's flying, so she's flying early this morning, so that's why I need to drop the bike off so early. What I might need to do is try and get ahead of her so she knows where she's going. There we go, so hopefully she knows where she's going now, she can follow me. And I've just noticed I've only got 26 miles in the range, which is alright, I suppose. I'm only going literally 2 miles, 3 miles. So this is what I love about my triple, and you can't do this on something like a parallel twin, but I'm in 6th gear doing 32, and look how smooth it is. Absolutely beautiful, and it's just sipping the fuel, yeah? I don't think so, pal. Oh, traction control was kicking in there a lot. Cold tyre as well. If you're wondering what tyre I'm going for, so this currently has Pirelli supercorsa V3 on it. Actually, where do I need to turn here? I need to turn right here somewhere. But yeah, it's got a Pirelli supercorsa V3 on it, and I am going for Pirelli supercorsa V2. And if you're asking why I'm going for the V2, I don't know, but I read a few things saying that the V3 is really something that you would favour over the V2 if you are more of a track nut. Now I only expect to do like maybe 1 or 2 track days this summer, fingers crossed, and I am a newbie, I've never ridden on track. So yeah, I thought just go for the V2 for now. Right, here we are. That was a fairly quick ride. So I'm on 3,412 miles, and it needs a new rear tyre. So here we go then. Apparently I just drop it through this letterbox. There we go. I have dropped it in the right door, haven't I? I hope so. Yeah. Anyway, be good. I'll see you later for collection. Miss you.
Alright guys, so I'm just at home working, but I'm on my lunch break, and on my lunch break I'm just looking at some motorcycle levers. I've currently got some Laguna Seca Dainese levers, which are in white. Actually, let me show you them. Here are my levers. I store them up on the rail. It's quite practical doing this, but yeah, what I was saying is I've got these white Laguna Secas, got white boots and stuff. But yeah, the reason why I got these levers were, I got them years ago and I had a Yamaha R6 and it was in white. So I thought, oh yeah, I'll go for the white levers, and looked great, right? But now, of course, with my street triple, doesn't quite go. And also these levers, they don't fit me too well because I like to lift weights and I'm a bit muscly in places. I had to get XL levers, and it fits me in the shoulders okay, but round the waist, around the bum, round the legs, like especially at the bottom of my legs, these bottoms are huge. They literally are hanging off me. So what I do plan on doing is the next set of levers I get, I will get them tailored. But yeah, let me show you what I'm looking at. So yeah, I like the look of these Day and Easy Avro suits. They are a two-piece. I like the colour combo, the black and the red. And if I were to have these tailor fitted to me, I'd keep them long term. And yeah, I would imagine they'd go with any bike really. I'm also looking at a new helmet, and I like the look of the Shoei X Spirit 3. And I just guess I want to find the correct finish. Well, not the correct finish, the finish that I like. I have seen this one. This is a Marc Marquez black concept, but noticeably it's £720 when you can get the same helmet over here for £490. That's quite a jump just for a particular finish. But yeah, I must admit, it looks amazing in that colour. Also, I want to show you something. Imagine if I started the bike with this on this morning. This would have been loud. This is the S1 slip-on. Of course, I just have it literally sitting around on my desk. Why not? I love the smell. It's got a particular smell to it. You can smell 11,000 RPM. Oh, lovely. Yeah, look at the finish to it. It looks just so cool, doesn't it? All right, important update. I have had a call to let me know that my Street Triple is ready for collection. It has its new tyre fitted. However, I have looked out the window and it's looking a little bit wet. So fortunately, I don't have to travel very far. So I'm going to collect it today and I'm going to get it home and in the dry. But isn't it just always my luck? Every time I have something booked in for this bike, I always get rained on. And I hate riding my bike in the rain. See, I love to keep my bike immaculate. And a thought of riding it in the wet really does upset me. Okay, en route to collect the bike, and unfortunately it is still raining. What can I do? I live in the UK, okay? That's the problem. Anyway, all I'd like to say at this point is if you have stuck around for this long, how about you subscribe? I would very much appreciate it. I would love your support. This channel is all motorcycle related. So if you enjoy this kind of content, how about you stick around and just slap the subscribe button. So easy to do, right? Anyway, let's grab the bike.
Oh, this is sketchy. It's wet and yeah, brand new rear tyre. Absolutely ideal conditions. Oh dear, it's a good job I ain't got to go far. I've actually got a wet bum as well. My bike doesn't know what's going on today. It's been in for a procedure, had its rear wheel removed, new tyre fitted, and now it's riding around in the wet. Oh, let's avoid those drain covers. To be honest, these supercorsas ain't good in the wet anyway. But you know what? I mean, can anyone comment below? Are you supposed to scrub tyres in? I've read somewhere, or my understanding is now, that tyres are already scrubbed in. I'm not going to obviously look to find out today, but I'm going to ride the bike tomorrow on a proper ride out. I'm going to vlog it as well, and then I will be obviously riding the bike how I would like to. And do you know what? I actually think that was quite pricey. I paid £48 for that rear tyre to be fitted. I paid So what I did was I had the tyre actually delivered. So I purchased the tyre online, had it sent to the guy. I think I paid $155 for this rear tyre, delivered. But yeah, I can't believe I just paid £48. I obviously dropped the bike to him, and he's done the work and stuff, removed the wheel, but I thought that was quite expensive, to be honest. Maybe if I removed the wheel and brought it to him, I'm sure it'd be a lot cheaper. I didn't ask, but I would imagine it would be if you just dropped the wheel off. Maybe I'll just do that in future to save a bit of money. And obviously my bike wouldn't be getting soaking wet right now, would it? I don't know how anyone could enjoy riding in the rain. It's absolutely awful, you know. That's what I would drive that's why I have a car, for this kind of thing. A car keeps you nice and warm and dry. Yeah, this is just not the ideal conditions for a bike. Okay, if I was like off-road, getting wet and muddy and stuff, that kind of stuff I don't care, but on the road riding, I just want to ride in the nice warm temperatures, dry temperatures, where I'm getting the most fun out of the bike. This is just like, you just have to be careful everywhere. You're getting cold, wet, the visor's all, you know, I can't see where I'm going properly, getting spray from other cars. This is just not fun, is it? Anyway guys, that was a bit of a random one today. Hope you enjoyed it. It's not my usual thing, but I probably will do more of these kind of vloggy, motovloggy style videos in future. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. Get home, get dry, and get this bike cleaned and in the dry also. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please again, if you could just whack the like button, it'd be very much appreciated, and I'd hope to see you on another video soon. See you later.